Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT question with us. Let's read the question. A list of 10 data values is shown. 6, 8, 16, 4, 17, 26, 8, 5, 5, 5. What is the mean of this data? To find the mean of a data, technically what you're supposed to do is you're going to sum it up, all the given data. Then you will divide by the number of the data, which is there are 10 of them. So technically we're just going to do addition in here. I will try to add it as easy as possible. Let me show you. This is how I add. You can use your calculator as well during the exam, by the way. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. We have 20. And we have 20. And we will just go now random. 20 and 28, 38, 44, and let's add that 44 to 6, 50, 70. We have 7 in here. We have 70, 80, 87, 95, 100. The sum is 100. 100 divided by 10. If you will divide 100 by 10, you would get 10 as your mean for this question. So the mean of the question is 10. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck on your exams. Have a good one. Bye.